Hello everyone, I'm Brian Kirby here with Take Aim TV. In our past video when we reviewed and tested the Alien Gear Holster ShapeShift Starter Kit, I told you they had a lot of expansion packs coming out. Well, here's one of them, the Alien Gear Ankle Holster. First, let's talk about how it goes on. The ankle holster has three main components. The first part is the lower strap that goes around your ankle. This is made of their heavy-duty cool vent neoprene. Now this is actually pretty comfortable. It breathes really well, and you don't have to worry about any sweat or discomfort under the holster. The second main component is the upper strap. This features more cool vent neoprene along with alien skin barrier that goes between the gun and the neoprene. The ShapeShift shell secures the ankle slide lock and adapter. Here is where you can adjust the ride height to your preference. Something to keep in mind when adjusting the ride height with the ankle carry is the higher you go, the higher you'll need to pull up your pant leg to draw from concealment and avoid snagging the grip. So it is important to practice with an unloaded pistol until you're confident with the draw process. Now I cannot stress this part enough. You do not want to stumble and drop a loaded firearm at the range or in a self-defense situation. Now if you find yourself in a situation where you lost control of your pistol and it's falling, let it hit the ground. Do not try to catch it midair. If you try to catch it, you could accidentally pull the trigger and hurt yourself or the people around you. Another feature I like is the support spine that inserts into the lower strap. This keeps the holster from sliding down your leg without the need of an uncomfortable garter or leg strap. After you secure the ShapeShift shell to the desired height, you then wrap the upper strap over the shell and secure it with Velcro. This pulls the gun tighter against your leg and aids with concealment. Honestly, I was surprised how well this concealed my Shield 9mm. Now keep in mind when it comes to concealed carry, you have to dress appropriately, so don't be wearing skinny jeans and a full-size 1911 and get mad that it didn't conceal. When I ankle carry, it's primarily when carrying on my waist is not feasible. Or maybe if I have a long road trip where I want to be able to easily draw while sitting. Also, if you like to carry a backup gun, ankle carry is always a good option for you as well. Now this is compatible with all the ShapeShift shells, but keep in mind I do not think ankle carry is good with a full-size pistol. I wouldn't recommend doing this with a 1911 or a full-size Glock. It does conceal the subcompacts and microguns quite well. I've said this before and I'll say this again. Make sure the holster company you buy from has a return policy. Especially with an ankle holster, ankle carry may not be for you and you may not like it, and it'd be nice to be able to send it back instead of being stuck with it. And Alien Gear Holsters does offer a 30-day test drive, so if you do not like it, you can send it back. Also, they offer a lifetime ironclad guarantee, so if something breaks or rips on it, they'll send you the parts needed to fix it, or they'll just replace it. So that's a nice feature to have, that's lifetime, so if anything goes wrong, they'll cover you. I've said this in the past about Alien Gear holsters. Something I really like about them is that they're 100% made in the USA. And especially for ankle carry where it's going to be swinging back and forth on your leg and you may bump into things, I want to make sure it's going to hold strong. And it's nice to know that an American was putting their hands on it and making sure that this is a good solid product and it's not made with overseas cheap material. Yeah, I'm talking about you, China, with your cheap holsters. For more information on this ankle holster or any of the other products Alien Gear has to offer, check them out at aliengearholsters.com. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching our videos. If it wasn't for you watching, we wouldn't be making them, and I can't thank you all enough. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Carbon TV and Instagram. Remember, stay aware, carry often, and we'll see you next time.